Welcome back to King Versace TV, a site, one chop, four corner, and I am back. We are back, I should say, with another banger and another zinger. So before we do no more further introduction, this is my cousin
Diani. Hey guys.
Alright, so she's from England.
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 England. She's from the United Kingdom. We can't go wrong this.
Yeah, from the UK.
She's from where the Queen lives, for those who don't know. And for those who know where England is, it's a very nice country.
No,
Now. So therefore, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
How ready are you?
10 out of 10. Let's do this.
Alright, so I have 10 questions on my phone. And I'm going to try to get one additional 5. Just shut them out of my head. So make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post. Alright. You want the hard one in first or you want the easy one in first?
Oh, we'll just gradually build up. I don't want to embarrass myself from the beginning.
Alright. Number 1. Turn on your yard.
Stay at home.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay.
She get that one right. More on my food.
I want to eat some food. Basically means I'm hungry. Give me some food now.
Alright. Yo, my G.
What's up? Hey. Like, yeah, we'd say that as well. So.
Alright. My Bex.
I'm so pissed off. Basically, yeah, like I'm
vexed.
I
Vexed.
say I'm vexed all the time. So I'm just like, when I say I'm vexed, it's like I'm vexed. Like what? I'm just vexed.
We can't get up on there.
Yeah, you have to. I know what.
We can't get her. We can't get her. Alright.
You're really trying to do me dirty.
Them have a comment and tell me if you can get that one.
Yeah, please vote for me because I don't know what he's saying. I'm vexed as I'm vexated. There, I'll use the full English. I'm vexated.
Alright. May I go down your road?
I'm going down the road.
Alright. Move forward and move him.
Get out of my way.
Yeah, forward.
Are you coming?
Oh, you're brawling, so.
Oh, how are you? How do I put this into context? Why are you so loud? Why are you so boisterous and cantankerous? Okay.
Alright. You listen to that song yet?
Have you listened to this song yet?
You ever go foreign yet?
Have you ever gone abroad?
Alright. Me not friendly.
I'm not like friendly. I'm not all like up in your business. I'm not gonna draw to you so easy kind of thing. I'm just not a friendly person kind of thing.
Alright. Wanna move.
What?
Wanna move.
Wanna move? One person's moving? I don't know.
Alright, tell me what you think.
Wanna move? Put it in a sentence, please. A full sentence.
Alright,
Give
I'm
some
gonna
context.
alright, look. I'm gonna say it in English now. So you have got to tell me what you think you mean. Alright, me go give you a context clues. No, me go give you a patois and then me go give you the English. Me get a girl over there so wanna move.
Oh, you like laid it down on that girl or something? I don't know.
She actually get it right.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Me not rate that you there.
I say that. Oh, that's a bit much. No, like you don't give the person ratings. Like you don't care for them. You don't think like you're just like you're lame. Like basically.
Alright. That boy over there saw him an informer.
Informer. Oh Jesus, he's an op. He's an op. For anyone who's from London, he's an op. He's basically someone who's just chat too much, always saying what doesn't need to be said. Basically, he's an informer.
Alright, so if she are going good, better say now get that one now. Go church through your mama.
I'm not saying that on YouTube.
No, you're not gonna say it on the screen. You're gonna make it sound nicely. You're gonna say it in English.
Say it again.
Go church through your mama.
I just know as soon as you bring someone's mum into something, it's something very disrespectful. That's all I know.
Alright, people. So, only tell me one thing. if she did good, if she didn't, and no, don't treat her bad, cause no say yeah she did good. Anyways, make sure that you like, you share, you subscribe, turn on post notifications. Yeah, I shall in one more video, so just wait for that.
See ya.
Alright, later.